Good morning. The topic is screening procedure for disease resistance. SCRWNING. Screening procedure for disease resistance or sources of disease resistance. SOURCES. Sources of disease resistance. Okay, write down. Resistance to disease may be obtained from the following sources. First up, subheading A known variety, KNOWN, known variety. This is reaction, okay, write down. This is reactions of most of the cultivated varieties are documented, comma, and a breeder may find the resistance he needs in a cultivated variety. First up, the resistant plants were isolated from commercial varieties. First up, these plants provided the basis for new resistant varieties of these crops. Full stop. Next is updating B. Germplasm collection. When resistance to a new disease or a new pathotype of a disease is known in a cultivated variety, comma, germplasm collections should be screened. SCRWNED, screened. Full stop. C. Next is heading C. A related species. A related species. Write down. Often, OFTEN. Often, resistance to a disease may not be present in the varieties of the concerned crop species. Full stop. In such cases, comma, it would be necessary to transfer, TRANSFER, transfer resistance genes from a related species through interspecific hybridization. Full stop. Next is subheading D. Mutations. Resistance to some diseases may be obtained through mutations arising, ARISING, arising spontaneously, comma, in some cases, comma, or induced through mutagen treatments. Full stop. Next subheading E. Somaclonal variation. SOMACLONAL, somaclonal variation. Okay, write down. Genetic variation occurs in plant cells cultured, CULTURED, cultured in vitro, INVITRO, in vitro, and in plants regenerated from such cells and in the progeny of such plants. Full stop. Next paragraph. Somaclonal variants, variants, resistant to various diseases have been isolated in many crops, comma, and some of these have been released as varieties. Next subheading F, unrelated organisms. Unrelated organisms. Okay, write down. Efforts, EFFORTS, are being made to utilize genes from other organisms to produce disease resistance in plants. Full stop. These genes may be obtained from the pathogens themselves. Okay, thank you.